Hey friends, I just got the new LOKLiK iCraft cutting machine and I cannot wait to give it a go. LOKLiK has terrific deals on machines, and if you're looking for an easy-to-use cutting machine that's affordable, I think this might be for you. I'm going to leave links in the description so that you can check it out yourself. Now, from what I've seen, this cutting machine will do anything any other cutting machine will do, so let's see what's included here. A tool for weeding, a scoring stylus, cutting attachments, and a deep blade cutting attachment for thicker substrates like leather and thicker cardstocks. This machine is so easy to put together, I'm just installing the blade and snapping it in. Next, I'm going to plug it in and connect it to my computer. The software is super easy to download and you start cutting in minutes. The first thing I'm cutting is the HTV in metallic gold. Place the HTV face down and load the mat into the machine. Next, we go to the canvas and upload our graphic. I made this graphic in PicMonkey. Then I size it and then press cut since this is a basic cut. I just fill in the requirements that pop up. It is so easy. Once I pick my material, I mirror the image, then click Add to Task and start cutting. It could not be easier. Next, I weed my cut and get ready to press. Here's another quick Christmas pillow design. I have these beautiful little Victorian mansions that I want to turn into cards and votive holders, so I'm doing a basic cut in cardstock. Just follow along and you will be able to do it in no time, I promise. The only thing to remember on this machine is that if you want to cut several things in one pass, you'll need to combine your images. The software is so easy to use, and once you pick your substrate and mirror your image, you are ready to cut. I love this machine. It's a great alternative to other cutting machines, and it does everything. Plus, it's really affordable. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like my video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want projects that I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. I'll leave a link to that below as well. And if you want inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon. Bye, everybody.